While everyone is saying no to UCC and urging Chief Minister Conrad Sangma to pass a resolution unanimously in opposition, the Chief Minister said only after seeing the bill that has details of it, a resolution can be taken. However, resolution cannot be taken on a concept or an idea. Stating that UCC is a very broad concept, Sangma said, no use of talking about UCC unless a document is seen. In wake of Kerala Assembly adopting resolution against Uniform Civil Code, similar demands echoed in Meghalaya as well. It may be mentioned that from church leaders to partners in the MDA government, UDP has voiced concern about the UCC.
Now, are you saying if you can show me the bill that has got the details of it, then we will take a resolution accordingly after reading it? But an idea and a concept of UCC, I cannot take a resolution on a concept. I cannot take a resolution on an idea. It has to be on a particular issue, it has to be on a particular bill and particular format which has to be given to us. And hence I suggest to the press also that I think there's no use talking about the UCC till we don't see a formal document on what the UCC is all about, and only then can we comment on it. So let's not go, just kind of raising, an issue out of something that is not there right now. It's an idea and a concept which has not taken form yet. Until that happens, we cannot make any comment on the UCC.
Meghalaya Chief Minister on Tuesday